Hey guys, what's up? So in this video, I will be showing you guys my slime collection here at my grandma's house, which I have a lot more at my mom's house, just to let you guys know. And I will also be showing you my transformation to my slime factory in the kitchen, basically. So let's get into it. So I'm going to start off with my slime collection. So first one is this one right here. It's a cereal slime. And it has beads in it. Okay. So it has beads in it to make it a cereal slime. And it smells really good. It has citrus like forest stuff in it that's foaming hand soap. So yeah. So that's the first one. Which I one doesn't have a container yet. This has a container. I'm not sure what I called it. Oh, by the way, guys, it is a clear slime, but it's a little foggy because I literally just made it before I started this video. I couldn't record it. It's a gigantic slime. It has 4 ounces of glue and 4 ounces of and 1 cup of water. Oh no, sorry, a little over 4 ounces of water. So it's basically, there's like 8 ounces in here. So this is like 8, it's probably about 10 ounces more so. Okay, next slime. This is supposed to be a clear slime, but I don't know what happened. I put baby oil in it. Leave in the comments if you know why it didn't work. I feel like it's baby oil, but I'm not quite sure. By the way, none of these have names except my cereal slime because that's just the type. And my metallic slime because that's just the type. Which next is my metallic slime. It's pink. It's a pink metallic slime. I got it from the Elmer's Metallic Glue. Next slime is this one. It actually is called Christmas Tree, if you guys are wondering about that. This one is called a name. But that's because it was from my old slime shop, which I only got sales from my family, which I will be selling. So Sarah, if you're watching, if you want slime, or if anybody that you know wants slime, just let me know, okay? This is a neat slime. So it's actually a butter slime, but I made it with tissues because I heard tissues can make butter slime. And I'm like, oh, I have to try this. So I made a couple. I made more than one. Here is my other one I made. It's an orange one. That one was just plain old white. If you guys are wondering, this is my orange one. It's a little bit lighter on camera. And they're butter slimes, just to let you know, made with tissues. So they're basically homemade butter slime. Next, this is what, okay, so actually some of them do have names. This is called milkshake slime. Called milkshake slime, as you can see. So it's called strawberry milkshake. And actually, I melted some pastels and chopped them up. And I put it in here to make it that way. This is another, this is hang on. This is a little melted. I'm going to need to add some activator. Oh, by the way, guys, the activator that I use at my grandma's house is borax. That's the exact same one I use at my mom's house, too. I just basically use, except at my dad's house. Comment down below if you want me. Actually, no. If this video can get over 50 likes, I will ask my dad if I can start a YouTube channel and be brave to do it. But this video has to get over 50 likes. So no, I'm gonna make it even challenging. Over 500K. Yeah, that's right. Over 5,000 likes. And thus, I will ask my dad to start a YouTube channel at his house. And maybe a family vlog. Okay, so hang on, guys. It's coming. I just have to activate it real quick because I'm not gonna have any sticky slimes in my box. Oh, by the way, guys, this is the box it's in, and I have another box over here with slime in it too. So I have 2 boxes here. I have 7 slimes. Well, technically 8 slimes I've shown you. This is my 8th slime that I've shown you, and then I have some more. Okay, so here's this slime. I'm gonna kind of put it away because so it don't keep sticking to me. Oh, by the way, guys, if there's any parents out there watching this video, what gets the slime out is vinegar, and what gets like paint and all that type of stuff out is Granny Secret Spot Remover. You can get it at Hobby Lobby. Oh, by the way, this is not an advertising. It's not sponsored, but it's Hobby Lobby. If you could sponsor me, please, in the slime and art section, please. Okay, so here is my blueberry milkshake slime. So yeah, basically nothing about that. The exact same thing as the pink one. This one is actually a milkshake slime too. It's banana milkshake. You're probably like, oh, is that like a milk slime? No, it's not a milk slime. At the end, I will count how many slimes I have for you guys. Oh, this one's a nice one. This is another milkshake slime. It's just not made with pastels, by the way. Just disclaimer, which I'll show you here in a minute. If I can get it out of my container. Okay, got it. I gotta kind of knead it up a little bit. Okay, so this one, it's raspberry. Yeah, we're gonna call it raspberry milkshake slime. It's made with pastels too, and has glitter. So it is a milkshake slime. So yeah, tell that. Okay. Oh wait, what? Okay, I just figured out. I have 2 blueberry milkshake slimes. Okay. That's great. I have duplicates. I will be giving out that extra one. So remember, if we get to 5K likes, I will do that. This is the other box. It's in an MB box. So this is a butter slime. I keep it here. I actually made it with my mom's, my slime stuff at my mom's house. By the way, guys, if you're wondering what that is, that's not a bruise, that's mascara that washed off. Okay, so here is my butter slime. It's a pink, but it is red. I wish it would be more pink, but it's all right. Oh, and then here is my last slime that's here, and it is another butter slime. This one's not the best one that I made. The best one that I probably made is either first or second one. Okay, let me count. I have 15 slimes here, but at my mom's house, I have over 100. So, yeah. Oh, by the way, okay, so now I'm going to get into showing you what you need to be a slime factory. Well, first of all, you need some type of slime. I'm called Slime Mojo Shop. I already have that up. Next, you're going to need your glue. I have my glue. Elmer's clear glue, and that, all your ingredients. Okay, this is gonna take me a minute because I actually have a lot of ingredients here. Add-ins don't count as ingredients, by the way. Just letting you guys know. Oh, that's right. But borax count as an ingredient, but I'm not even gonna put it with that. I'm just gonna actually just like put it probably like right here. So let me get so I have baby oil. I have 2 lotions, this one and that one from Bath and Body Works. This one's not. I have some hair gel, a big bucket of it. Foaming hand soap, which this is the Certis set thing. This is some shaving cream. And then I have this borax solution. So my borax solution is going to go down there. Okay, next thing is, hang on, I have to grab something. I grabbed it. You're probably wondering, why are like these, like these are like supplies for, like, these are not slime busy. Why do you have these? Because mainly because I actually use them. My slime book, I made it myself. It even has like my little cover and all that. It only has 1 recipe in it right now. Fluffy slime recipe. But I will put more in it, so don't worry about that. Next thing, I have index cards. Just in case of, I guess if I have to like write anything down, I don't know. They're pretty cool. And then I have oil pastels, which that's what I use to make those milkshake songs. Then I have a whole box of arts, of like markers, colored pencils, permanent markers, gel pens, and just all that. So all my like random supplies will be going down there. Okay. Oh, I have one more ingredient. I have soft rose hand soap, and it's not foaming soap. It's regular. All my like add-ins will go in here. So first add-in I have is fake snow. Next add-in is I have glitter. My next add-in is I have beads. Next add-in I have food coloring. Oh, by the way, guys, I forgot to tell you I have a bottle of glue too. I'll put it there.
Get your potty.
He probably should go potty before you guys, like, before we go to bed. So I'm just gonna put them in there. Guys, slime fell. Okay. And then I have a lot of random ingredients. I have more glitter. I have some paint. Oh, I have a black slime right here, by the way, guys. Forgot to mention that. I have some charms. I have a little bowl. Green food coloring. I have a lot of paint in here. A lot of paint. I'm not even gonna go over all the colors just because that would take for days, for years. It would just take forever. A lot more glitter. The only reason why I also got some glitter was because this is not slime supplies, but I actually use it in slime, and it can make some fun colors. It's watercolors, by the way. That's not gonna go this way. I have all of these unicorn charms. I have a set of charms, some pigment, more pigment, puffy paint, this weird gel looking thing, more weird looking gel looking things, some slime, some more glitter, some little bead things, this pink food coloring, these measuring cups, and more food coloring. Okay, dokie. So, that is basically all. Now, what you're going to want to do, you're going to want to put it all here, okay? You want to put it all there, right? Okay, make sure you put it all there, got it? Everything, all your glitter, everything. So like that meaning, like all your food coloring, just put it all there. And so you can always just come to it when you need it.
Okay, and he started that.
He always does that.
Progress, that was very good.
No, it's not.
Very good, bed at 9 minutes.
Okay. I'm actually about finished.
Okay.
I'm just putting my things up, and you know. Okay, so now I'm just gonna put all my slime in their boxes again. And that is basically all you need. A sign and all that. I'll get back to you tomorrow. Bye, beautiful people. Mwah.